Hello, Pamela.
Nice to meet you. And well, we just said that, but yes.
Nice to
What
meet
would
you
you like?
too.
What would you like
And
to talk about today?
first of all, tell me, how are you doing today?
I'm doing fine. Yeah,
Great. And where are you? Where are you from,
America,
actually? I wanna.
America, in Pennsylvania.
Uh huh. Okay, okay. I'm from India,
Yeah.
and it's almost midday here, and you have night, right?
Yep. It's nighttime here.
I
So
see. It's dark outside.
yeah. So
Actually, I'm at work right now, and yes, I'm at work, and but I was finding a tutor to book a slot for talking in the evening time. But fortunately, I saw you, and I thought let's ask Pamela if we can talk right away.
okay.
So it's good. I want to talk about the culture where you are right now,
Okay.
especially in your state. So how do you like there? I mean, how would you explain?
Well, I've only lived in Pennsylvania for 4 months now. So
Oh, huh.
I moved here in late February. I actually moved from India. So
Oh, okay.
yeah.
So you
Um,
were in India.
yep. I lived in Gurgaon.
Oh,
So
great, great. But
um,
your citizenship, you're citizen of USA.
yes, yes.
Okay, okay. So I'm so happy that you were in India.
Yeah.
The for what? What did you do here?
Well, my ex-husband is Indian. So,
Oh, so for meeting with his family, you mean?
well, we were I lived there for 10 years. So,
Big,
yeah.
big, big duration.
Yes, yes. And then we're divorcing now, so I've moved back to America.
Oh, so sorry to hear that from you.
Yeah.
But okay, it's kind of private.
Yeah.
Sorry if you feel bad.
No, it's
Uh,
okay.
but uh, but I'm happy for the period that you spent here.
Yeah. Yeah, India began to be home, but now I'm back in my original home. So,
Okay. Hmm.
though not originally Pennsylvania, I moved here because of the house prices. Like the where I'm living right now is very reasonable how real estate. But I'm originally from New Jersey and South Carolina.
Hmm.
So how
Okay.
I would describe the culture here where I'm living, I'm in Western Pennsylvania. People are very friendly. Actually, I'm in the mountains.
Okay. I want to tell you that as you said that you have been here just for 4 months.
Yeah.
So and you are actually from New Jersey.
Well, I was born in New Jersey, and then when I was 7, I moved to South Carolina. So my
Ah.
family
Okay.
is from New Jersey, but I spent most of my life in South Carolina until I was in India, and now I'm in
So,
Pennsylvania. So
okay. So you are mostly familiar with South Carolina, the
my
culture of
parents are
South
from South
Carolina.
Carolina, and so
Hmm.
is one of my sisters. But my grandmother and a lot of aunts and uncles and cousins are still in New Jersey. Yeah, and
Okay.
I'm blessed
Okay.
enough
So
that
tell
my
me.
grandmother's still alive.
Hmm. Okay. So tell me that mm, how many states have you visited or spent time in your country? I mean, there
Um,
are 50 states, right?
so as at least passing through, I've been to like 26 states, I think. So
Okay.
but spending time, I'm not really sure. I've never done that count, but I've counted, like, at least count it did, including ones that I've just kind of driven through on the way to other places. So but I've been all the way up and down the East Coast, except for I haven't been north of New York, and then I've been towards the west to Kansas,
Mm-hmm.
and then I've been to California once.
Okay. So my second question is that do you feel the major difference in the culture if you change the state in your country?
Yeah, there's a difference in culture. Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
I remember trying to explain that to international students in university because they were thinking that they were learning American culture, and I was trying to explain that you're learning
Mm-hmm.
one type of American culture, but there's a lot, just like there's lots of different Indian cultures. We do share the language for the most part, though there are some areas that have a lot more Spanish speakers. But um, culturally, there's different origins for different states. Like the settlers came there for different reasons, or you know, different histories. So there's different cultures.
Okay, so I'm asking because I can feel the diversity here in my country as well. As you
Yeah,
know, India is a diverse country, and fortunately, you already spent 10 years here, right?
yeah.
So, so and that's why I'm kind of curious to know that what's the difference in culture there, because 50 states, it's a very, very good amount of states in single nation.
Yes. Well, there's
And
29 in India. That's also a pretty good amount. But um, the and you guys have like three times more people, so and a lot more languages. But the
yeah.
I think it really there's a gosh, what was the name of that book? There was a good book that talked about how like the different regions of America are almost like different nations in the way that they think. Oh, there and it just divided America up into these 11 nations. And I don't remember
Oh,
what the
okay.
book was, but it
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. And what about the food culture? Do you feel the same difference in food culture as well?
well, no, I like the food here. There's not much Indian food though. I
Mm-hmm.
actually we just found some frozen Indian food that we bought a whole bunch of because we found some finally. But me and my kids. But the the food otherwise is very similar to what I grew up with. So it's been nice to be back with food that I'm familiar with.
It's
But
good. It's good.
I do miss Indian food. Yeah.
Okay, I'm happy to know that. It's because we use mostly we use spices. Okay,
Mhm.
so you can say that mostly our food is made with spices.
Yeah.
Of course, you if you want you cannot use spices, but Indian food is spicy, and that's why it is made of and it is known for.
Yes. Yeah.
So, can you tell me that which food do you miss here of
Okay.
India? Hmm.
Um, well, I really love like Shahi Paneer and I